foundation of dog care. Feed a balanced diet. Your dog's health begins with what's in their bowl. A balanced diet isn't just about filling their tummy, it's about giving them the right mix of protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals their body needs. Large breeds may need joint-supporting nutrients, while small breeds might require calorie-dense food for energy. Always choose premium quality dog food. Cheap brands may save you money now, but can cause costly health issues later.